Hi everybody. Today we are going to perform a bottle submarine experiment, which basically includes the principle of Archimedes, which exclusively tells about the buoyancy of the fluid. And this principle states that the lighter materials just float on the fluid. The fluid here is water, and the denser materials just sink down to the bottom. So the apparatus for this experiment are a bottle which is tied to a stone such that the bottle sinks initially, and this bottle has two holes or any number of holes can be made so that the water just flows into the bottle, and thereby with the additional weight of the stone the bottle and the stone sinks into it. And next we have a straw fixed which is fixed to a bottle cap such that the bottle cap has a hole which is made through a soldering gun, and at the end of the straw it is just tied to a balloon so that when the air is blown through the straw the balloon inflates, and this combination is placed into the bottle. As I said, the air is blown through the straw and it just inflates the balloon, and this air is blown through a cycle pump, or you can use an alternative of air compressor. Anything can be done. Here the bottle and the balloon combination is being fitted into each other, and the cap is being closed such that it is airtight, and the combination is just placed into a bucket of water filled about 3/4 of its volume such that the bottle sinks right down to the bottom, and the part of the straw is just protruding outside. As you can see, it's just sinking down due to the excess weight of the stone and the bottle. Now the cycle pump is being fitted into the straw to inflate the balloon. Air is being blown, and as you can see, the bottle is raising upwards. So we have come to the conclusion of this experiment. What it essentially says is, that is the what Archimedes principle says it, the mass of the object is equal to the weight of the liquid displaced, and due to the gravitational force the bottle just sinks to the bottom, and when the balloon is inflated into the bottle, since air is less denser than water, the bottle just floats on the top. Thus this is the essential principle that's used in submarine, which says that the ship, the weight of the ship must be less than or equal to the volume of the water displaced. So this concludes our experiment on bottle submarine, and it's time we introduce ourselves. Myself Sanjay, this is Rohan, this is Rohit, and special thanks to my close friend Manoj Kumar, who has been a wonderful help in making this video. Thank you.